Go that way. No, go that way. I need to be able to yell help. Jay, what are you doing? You got enough to just turn. Okay. Hey. Drive. Sorry. Left signal. You didn't see the car coming at you.
There's no car coming.
Because you didn't look.
Just like Bernie Mac.
Get all the way over, Jay. Do you see that car about to hit us?
Yes, Mommy. Yes,
Okay, turn
Mommy.
left. Turn left. Hold on, what you doing? You trying to throw me out the window?
I think she kind of did.
Left. Hey. Stop. No. Stop the car. Left. Right.
I'm looking.
Left. You keep scanning. Right. Left. Right. You see those cars coming?
Yes, I see
Okay,
them.
I just want to make sure you see them coming. Left. Okay, now gently.